Yo, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Can someone, start joining? We are live now. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. We are currently live on this is the New York session. We are live on the New York session. Guys, I know you may be in the office, you may be working, or you may be at home, those that are free. So start joining. We are live here. The essence of coming live during the New York session is to pick profit. It's actually to pick profit. Is to pick profit. So if you have your friend that you think need to be here, please tag that your friend, share our link with him so he can be able to join. We'll be doing it every day, every day, every day. Now, as much as possible, make sure you tag your friend and let them join us live on the live trading. So I'm currently here live. I'm currently here live. So we'll be catching up with the New York session. That's the market is just opening. They will be giving you all that other information that you may need to know. Yeah, so we'll be catching up. The New York session is just open, so we are checking a lot of about the market. It's gonna be followed up with what we did, what we have been doing rather. So it will be a follow up with what we have been doing since yesterday, even since last week as well. Then the sense of coming live at least once a day, as I said, is to make sure we give you live update. Then you see what we're doing. Then we'll also check on you to see your position, the one you are trading. So make sure you put this in on your reminder on your phone that we will always be coming live in the afternoon session. That is between 1:30 to 2 p.m. or 1:30 and 2 p.m. We're gonna be on live till about 3 or 4 p.m. Within the New York session. So we are connected on different stream, and we are happy to see you get connected with us as well. So please start joining us, and if you have a question, we'll be free to answer the questions with you and get you connected. So you can as well share our link with your friends. So let us kind of interact. I'm sure you're gonna get value here. You're gonna get value. So a lot is happening from the stock market to commodity market to the FS market. I'll be able to give you a brief information about what is happening currently and what is expected. I'm sure some of you live more on technical analysis. Yeah, I'm not saying it's bad, but it's part of the strategy anyway. So we're also gonna touch down on that and explain to you how it works and opportunities that are available on it. So basically, our target profit will be between 10,000 to 100,000 profit. On Monday, we give analysis expecting of we give analysis on Monday with a $15,000 expectation on profit. The analysis is still very valid. Is very much valid. So those of you that are trading it, I can tell you that it's still very valid until if any other thing goes wrong, then we'll be able to let you know that it's no more valid. As I speak to you now, that analysis is very, very valid. It's very valid. So that's why I said you guys should start joining again to see how we can be able to scale the analysis. We can scale the analysis. I hope those on the YouTube, you guys can hear me as well. If you're on my YouTube, check. Uh, you could just comment that I can hear you, so I'll be able to know that you can hear me as well. So we've been doing well so far. Since a week now, we have been able to reach over 1,000 people on our live stream. Yeah, the one we did, we always get some numbers because it's always recorded here. So people come back to watch them over and over again. Yeah, I want to be sure that you can hear me clearly. Those that are working with us, yeah. Those that are connected with us, yeah. Okay, someone say I can hear you. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So we have this analysis we did that was on oil here. It is still very much valid. I'm going to show you the analysis. Yeah, we have this analysis we did on oil here. We did it when the price was actually here. We did it at this price. So it's currently at $60 per barrel. So we are expecting the market price to surge to at least, sorry, let me check another, let me use another parameter. We're expecting another market price to surge to at least 62, which is gonna give us a profit cash over of about, you're gonna give us a profit cash over about 250 pips, but we multiply the same analysis together with Brent, which is expected, which you're gonna give us in cumulatively 500 pips, and on a $20 volume, we're gonna expect at least $10,000 profit. We're gonna expect at least $10,000 profit. So we are expecting WTI to move continuously going up in the coming days to at least $66 per barrel. So this is our expectation on WTI on Brent crude to get up to $66 per barrel, which will be which will be able to hit that this our target profit. And in case of those of you that have big account, you want to scale, it is very much possible for you to scale to be even much possible. One of the advantage why you need to join our stream every time is that we give you precise analysis. We are just like 2 weeks old into this live stream. That's one of the reasons you need to join our live stream every day. We give you a precise analysis. Then when you want to trade, you know how much you're gonna trade with, how much you're gonna make, and how much risk you'll be taking. Then of course your broker or the exchange you are using also contributed a lot to your success. Is that all right? So now that is the analysis we have currently. Currently, and the New York session is actually pushing it up. To be honest, the New York session is pushing it up. To be honest, um, yeah. Yeah, those of you that are here, you can also join me if you are free. You're free to join me live, so we could be able to interact. I am available for you. You can be able to join me. Yeah, so we will be working strongly on different markets as I speak. We have the same thing on, as I explained to you, the same thing we have on oil. It's actually doing perfectly well. It's doing perfectly well. Yeah, and it's gonna continue like that. It's doing perfectly well. I want to make sure everyone is hearing me. I want to make sure everyone is hearing me. Yeah. Yeah. So all right, so going further, So we also check some of fundamental on oil. We checked them yesterday, which we are also going to continue today, checking some fundamentals, try to know what's happening in the market and how it can benefit you, or how you can be able to like interpret it into the technical analysis, or how we can interpret them together into trading. So these are the things we check yesterday, and I can tell you that it's actually very much working accordingly. So we are expecting about 500 pips together. We are on both WTI and Brent. It has gone 300 pips already. It has gone more than 1,000 pips already. Last week it got up to 1,000 something pips together with them, which gave us approximately 1,000 something, to be honest, because of the way it moved. But we are also expecting the same thing to keep going accordingly. So if you are using the analysis we have now, you most likely make about 500 pips. Yeah, if you're using the analysis we have now, you're gonna make about 500 pips. Those of you on YouTube, I just want to make sure you can always hear me at all time. Yeah, I know that some of us are at work. That's why we are streaming, and we're gonna record them and keep for you. Or if it's still valid, we still like keep pushing it to you so that I can be able to get the same thing. Then the other market floor where we have a lot of opportunities that you may also need, a lot of powerful opportunities that you need to scale, that you need to make good amount of profit. And like I told you, one good beautiful thing about with us is that you we give you precisions. You have to know the exact amount of money you are most likely gonna make in anything you want to do, or in any trade that you're about to take. You have to know approximation, the amount of money you make, and on the risk aspect, you have to also know the approximation, the amount of money you are risking, like profit, like risk reward ratio in every trade. So it can be a little bit precise when you want to make a trade. This will really help you in understanding the market structure and understanding how to scale in profit. Yeah, is that all right? So I'm loading something. It's not really coming up as expected. That's why I'm delaying. Let me try to load it again so it can come up as I want. I'm actually loading something. So I want it to be up. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let me load it on a different page. I think I have a very strong internet here. Let me load it. Okay, perfect. So it's actually coming because on a different page. So there are a lot of fundamentals we have to look out on commodities before I go into F. Some few fundamentals we have to look out to. Because fundamentals give us an insight how the kind of profit, or it give us insight about potential opportunities. That's one good thing about fundamentals. Fundamentals give us insight about potential opportunities. Yeah, so these fundamentals are very, very important. Let me share it with you so that I can be able to see what I'm saying. Yeah, so we can start from commodities. The North Sea energy firm fall into administrative amid mountain crisis. So what we do on fundamental is that we look out for top potential news. That's one thing we do on fundamentals. We look out for top potential news. It's not all the news that we see on fundamental that we consider much volatile, that will have impact, like will be volatile in the market. Trump drop hammer on Russian oil giant. will follow through. So, but there's one I saw in the morning or about 3 hours ago that kind of was very much important to me, which I will share with you guys now. That one was very much important. Let me search for it here. They said the U.S. pump price couldn't spark after first sanction on Russian oil. This one came out about 21 hours ago. We look out for those kind of potentials. Like I told you, we want to be precise in our analysis. We want to be precise. They said while crude oil could be hidden back below $60. So let me open it and see what's going to happen. I know if you want to be a good trader, you need to have a lot of information within your disposal to be able to make good trading decisions. It will help you. Don't look down on them. Never you look down on them. They said China and Singapore partner on massive cross-border. Okay, no, I wouldn't want to go into that. I like to get top fundamentals on the news to help to decide my trading decisions. It helps me a lot to decide it. So now let me check what this one is saying. Oh, it's asking me to pay. I'm not gonna pay any money. I'm not gonna pay. That's their news. So the oil price began to go more bullish again as the sanction the tariff hike on China, the US lifted the tariff hike and the price started rebounding. Although we all know that there must be a reason for any market to rebound. That one, no matter what, the market will definitely rebound. We all know that one. It's not that we believe. We know that for the market to plug into $55 per barrel, it was a very good time for people to start buying. It was a very good time for buy. For me, I'm not talking about general public. Like for me, to make sure to buy oil at that particular price. To be honest. So now, these are the things we look out for on oil. So let me open this one that I saw 21 hours ago because it looked very much important. It looked like it will be important. They said previously, we report an average price of gasoline in the market has dropped below $3. Okay, a gallon for the first time this year. The largest oil due to OPEC plus returning more barrel to the market, as well as weak global demand. Average national gas price dropped. Okay, at 2.969 per gallon on Monday. That was yesterday. 16 cents lower than a year ago, with popular fuel service platform predicting that they could go even lower in the okay. So this is obviously talking about the gasoline. Yeah, but there's another thing he talks here about Brent crude. Brent crude for December delivery was trading at $66.44 dollars per barrel. That's on Friday. A nearly 10% jump from Monday intraday of 60%. Yeah, it moved from it came down to 60% as Brent crude per barrel, while the corresponding WTI crude contract was changing hand at 61. Yeah, a barrel from last Monday to $57 per barrel by Sunday. Brent was holding steady jump, steady just under $66 per barrel. Now, there's another one that is interesting me, so let me quickly go into that. It said Washington announced on Wednesday fresh sanctions targeting Russian energy giant Rosneft and Lukoil and their subsidiary, just days after the UK unveiled similar sanctions against the company. Even President Putin refused to end the senseless war. Treasuries in the sanction Russia, two largest oil companies that fund Kremlin war machine. Treasury is prepared to take further action if necessary to support President Trump's effort to end yet another war. We encourage our allies to join us in and adhere to these sanctions, said Secretary of Treasury. So now, basically, I know that some traders don't care about fundamentals. They don't want to read about anything. Yeah, but it's very important. So let me just try to explain to you. What you are looking at for here is potential opportunity to trade. Yeah, that is exactly what we're looking at for. We look out for potential opportunity that could allow us to trade. These opportunities are very, very important. They're very, very vital. So this opportunity could be fundamental, it could be technical. So I'm trying to sort out if there could be a potential opportunity that will support the buying analysis or the bullish trend to continue, which I am looking at for a sanction or thing that so I could see here there's also more sanctions coming up or that have been already imposed on the Russian oil firm. And why the news report these things to all of us is to know whether for us to make informed decision and possibility that this type of thing could also spark the market price. So these are the reason why sometimes they come up with things like this to push the market. So these are the reasons why they come with things like this, so that we'll be able to be informed about what the market is doing and how you can be able to maximize the opportunity. Now what I'm saying here now, I'm saying technically that the news about this market is actually in line with what the market is of this week is doing on oil, pushing the price a little bit up. Although yesterday there was a retracement, it dropped to $60 per barrel, but it was almost above 62 before the price dropped. So that still maintain our analysis that there's potentiality that the price may continuously going up to additional 250 pips up. Is that all right? So let me know if you guys can hear me clearly. Those of you that on my YouTube, I think you should be able to hear me and we can be able to interact perfectly. So this section, we are seeing what the market is gonna do. Yeah, let's see what the market is gonna do this section. We are expecting this section. Okay, let me check it. Let me put it on 1 hour chart to see. On our 1 hour chart. Let me check it 1 hour chart to see. Oh, 1 hour chart. Those who trade on the short trade, they will see opportunity here. That opportunity means support zone. Yeah. So we still have strong thing here on 4 hour charts too. Well, I'm a day trader and I trade weekly, so I'm also seeing similar potential opportunity. So what are we talking about? We're talking about potentiality that the market may continue to rebound as expected. So this could be a partly retracement. So it's a partly retracement, which you have to pay attention to. So when market retrace like this, there should be another second potential entry, which we need to come back to trade the market. I'm sure a lot of our traders are making profit because we follow the market back to back. I'm sure some of them are making a lot of profit on it. So that's all about that. So I'm just trying to uphold our analysis on oil, that the market still remains or maintain a strong bullish stand. It's possible that it will continuously to trend, and we're expecting additional 500 piece, which is going to give us $10,000 if you're using a 2 lot size. That is those who trade on commodities. Is that all right? So guys, I will also be expecting to get your questions. So in case you have a market that you're trading, you want me to analyze it for you, I will also be expecting to get your questions and see how I can be able to help. You know what I mean? Okay, so having said that, I'm using my glass because of the screen. I'm watching a big screen here. I'm watching a very big screen. Remember you can get if you are a young trader, you're struggling to come into the market, you want to trade, you can actually get a startup capital up to 10,000 grand. Check the bio, the description on this video. You'll be able to see that you can get a capital to trade. Very, very possible. You can get a capital to trade. Then you can apply and get a startup capital that will enable you trade. You know what I mean? So I'm checking something. Yeah. Yo, remember we have another live by 8 p.m. today, and that's our weekly market analysis. We're gonna do that by 8 p.m. today. I'm sure you definitely will participate on it. So quick one. Let's move on to gold. So I like what gold did. To be honest, I like it. I like what happened on gold. What gold did. Can look at it. So gold had another sharp drop. We marked this point. We marked this point before, but I think it has given us a clarity now. Gold has a sharp drop to 3,900, falling from 4,418 to around it didn't fall, falling from around 350 down to 3,000, down below 3,905. So one thing about it is that it has already presented a good opportunity again because of the nature of the asset. So gold is one of the best tradable assets, has performed extremely well this year. Gold has given up to 50% return on investment without leverage. Yeah, gold has given 50% return on investment without leverage. You can never take that off. Gold has given 50% return on investment without leverage this year, and has done more than 100% in 22 months. Go and check it. We used to tell you guys about this thing, just that some of you are not really catching up into all these type of opportunities. Yeah, that's the power of gold. Gold is used for hedging. If you're a trader, you don't maximize the opportunity you have in gold, you'll definitely be losing. You'll be losing if you're a trader and you don't maximize the opportunities that you have on gold. You'll be losing a lot. You can use gold to hedge your asset classes and prevent your account from losing, while you have chances to make more profit. gold has performed excellently well. It has dropped to 3,905. At least some sellers who have been on losses for a long time could breathe up now and see how they can be able to make maybe either a sharp recovery or a quick profit. Anyone. However, it's pointing out something critical. This 3,000. Let me check the current price. Let me check the lowest price. Lowest price was 3,887, and the way I'm seeing the gold now, guy, let me tell you something. If the price should close up, if the price of gold closes up to today, most likely that may be the lowest it will fall to. That means we should expect another bullish on gold. That's exactly what's happening. For those of you, who are interested in investing in gold. These days, we have made gold trading and gold investment easier and simple for people. You don't even need to trade only on derivative. You can just invest and hold. Gold is like Bitcoin now, like Bitcoin, where you can invest on and hold and make good return of your investment, because both the banks, the big companies, and everybody, they're actually investing in gold for hedging, and the gold is becoming one of the best stock so far for people to trade on. Yeah, so the New York market is actually pushing it up as I speak. And we analyze 250 pips on gold. Please, this analysis is still valid. So what we're gonna do, we have to readjust this analysis. We have to readjust it. Maybe we're not gonna adjust it today. We'll readjust it again. We should be expecting 400 pips, not 250. From what I'm seeing now, we should be expecting 400 pips, which will give us approximately 400 pips. How much will it give us in profit? Then let me calculate it. 400 pips. Let me just use $20. 400 pips. $20 times 400. That'll be 4,000. Yeah. That's 4,000. Yeah, that's 4,000. That should be 4,000. Yeah. $4,000 profit on gold using $20 lot. That's 2 lot. For those of you that doesn't understand trading terms, when we say $20 lot or $20 volume, we are not referring to capital or deposit. No, we are referring to something different. I think I have to delete this one. Delete. Yeah, I have to delete this one. Yeah, so this should be our new expectation on gold. Let me be sure of my calculation first. Let me be sure. $20 times 400. Oh, okay, sorry, my calculation was wrong. That means we expected $8,000 profit. $8,000 profit. Pardon me, guys. Yeah, that would be good. That means from gold and oil, we should be making 8,000 plus 15. That should be $3,000 on 2 lot size. So if you may not have up to 2 lot size to trade, you could trade maybe 1 lot. You trade maybe 0.5 or 0.0. But the pips is more important. Pips matters more. If you can catch all the pips, then you can just multiply your profit. So you may have maybe 0.2 or 0.1. Let's say you're using $1, that's $400 for you. So there's no need. If you're using $1 to trade it, you're gonna make $400 from this trade. So our exit point on gold will be 3,841. That's my own suggestion on exit, 3,841. Yeah, so which is technically about maybe 100 pips. Let me check what's gonna be the potential. One good thing about joining us is that you will be precise in your investments on trading. That's 90 pips. Okay, that's approximately 100 pips. Then why our target profit is about 400 pips, which is around 4,280. Yeah, that will be our approximation. Remember, some of the platform you use run on 5 decimal point price. So it means if I'm saying 400% on a standard price chart of gold, those that run on 5 decimal points, we're talking about 4,000 pips. So your broker may give you more, depending on how you're trading. For those of all that are doing proper investment, proper investment. So just chill it. So you're gonna make more money. So we're expecting gold to hit about $5,000. Then we're expecting gold to hit about $5,000. We have been like engaging a lot of researchers to see what's going to happen in the gold industry. We're expecting gold to hit about $5,000. So that's possibility that will make about 60 to 70% return on gold just by investing, not by trading. By investing, not by trading. Yeah, then you can make up to that, which is far higher than what you can make in real estate this year, or far higher than what you make in treasury bill. Or for those that want to multiply your money, let's say you have $10,000, instead of locking up in the bank, if you invest it on the gold market, keep it in a short period of time, maybe 6 months to 1 year, you may get up to 50%. That's another way of multiplying your money on gold. I'm not giving you advice. I'm just educating you how you could tap into all these opportunities as the case may be. Of course, we are free to teach you how it works and how you can be able to maximize. So, guys, those of you here, let me know if you have a question. Those of you on my streamline, let me know if you have a question. You can be able to ask me. I know. Yeah, you can be able to ask me. I'll be free to answer your questions seriously, and we can interact. Yeah, by 8 p.m. I have exclusive class for those who are on our paid mentorship, and we trade together. I have exclusive class with them. We also hit this market again and analyze it properly, how it's gonna work. So, and I remember that this week is the end of the week. So a lot of investment firms, they are doing what you call, okay, so they are doing what is called balancing their sheet, the investment sheet. They are balancing it. So some of the market you see are actually retracing. It's not that they have changed direction. Some of the market you see, they are actually retracing. It's not that they have changed direction. So if you mistake it with the market have changed direction, you may lose out on potential opportunities. Always make sure you pay critical attention to that. Some of the markets you see here, they're actually like retracing, or they have not changed their direction. Then we have some expectation on FX, but this ending of the month, FX has not really given us the expectation we want. But this expectation is still very strong. Like when you come to the light of Britain pound, US dollar, you see that we still have strong expectation there. We were expecting it to go more bullish, but it's not really going as expected. But it is still presenting a strong opportunity for us on the sniping entry point. What is called two sniping entry. You can see it there. So this point is a very nice point. Let me check the price. This price here is a very nice price. So, which is about 1.3256. It's actually a very nice price, and the biggest price for entry for me is now 1.31375. Is another biggest price, assuming this particular price is not rebound, but it's actually a very good opportunity. Maybe based on the balance sheet, that may also be the reason why there's a little bit of retracement. Despite then the similar thing that happened on Euro USD. Yeah, so that could be a little bit of retracement. We see we were buying it. We still have some position there. Yesterday was bearish on it, so we didn't analyze strongly on it. But today there's a little bit recovery, but it's not profit. So maybe the balance sheet is also part of it. Although this week the market is actually bullish. Yeah, I'm currently on the bullish chart, so the market is actually bullish this week. To be honest, yeah, it's actually bullish. Yeah, it's actually bullish. I think we'll be able to recover to 1.1725. We'll be able to recover to 1.725 as I speak. I'm actually in the office, so I want to give you some audience. So if you need any question, just feel free to ask me. You can drop it. I'll be able to answer you. Yeah, if you're on my LinkedIn, my Facebook, you're my where is this stream? I think Instagram, Twitter, anywhere our stream is going on. You just drop your question. I'll be able to answer you. So guys, do you have any thread you need us to analyze? We'll be able to help you analyze them. And I told you guys there's something coming up this week as well. One thing about me is that I'm not a speculative trader. Unfortunately, some of the analysis on internet are speculative in nature, so it's difficult for me to go back to that level of trading. So I like to be a little bit precise in what I'm doing. Okay, so what I wanted to give you a quick update here. Let me share with you guys. This is what I mean by companies talking about when I say balancing sheet. You see, tomorrow is Wednesday. There are a lot of statements coming up here. Like I told you, I repeated this yesterday. The Bank of Canada is making their report, and they're also making their statement. The US federal fund rate and the FOMC statement is also coming up at the same time. The monetary policy statement, Bank of Japan is also doing their own. The European Central Bank, that'll be on Thursday. They're also making their own statement. That's also how different companies will make their own statement. Different companies. That's how they make their own statement. Different big companies make their own statement. Different investment companies, because month is ending. They try to check how much they have earned, what is happening. They try to give their own forecast for the new month and stuff like that. And that will push the market up to next week, which will be like a Christmas Day. If the United States government is still not on shutdown, they will probably be able to give us a report for their own job rate and everything, and we'll be able to strike on that, to be honest. So these are the things you need to know as a trader, and the things you need to build up yourself with and make informed decision. I'm sure you too, you're also like checking your performances and see what's gonna happen. We too, we are checking our performances and also see what's gonna happen, what have you done, or what next to do, and stuff like that. These are the things that you need to do as a trader that will help you to be a very profitable person. Is that all right? So I'm taking some questions. Let me check on my pages. I have a question. I'll be able to answer you. I'll be able to answer you, guys. Whew. we're actually in need of traders. If you're an experienced trader, you can actually apply. We have a lot of portfolios available for you. You can apply if you're an experienced trader. Oh, some people are with me on Telegram. Everyone on Telegram. Maybe you can. Okay, someone is raising his hand as well. Allow to speak. Okay, let me allow you to speak. Oh, I see. Let me know if you're on Telegram, you can just use something. Oh, wow. I didn't know I can allow you can to speak. Wow. Yeah, what's your name? Victor Apara. Okay. Oh. Okay. Sorry, let me remove this so that I could hear you. Because the Telegram here is connected to phone. So can you say that again, please? Oh, I see. Are you a trader? Oh, capital is your problem. Yeah, you can use Profem or you can create a product. Profem can help you raise capital. Like one of the Profem I'm looking at here, they have funded $145 million to traders. No, they have paid out. That's paid out, not even funded. That means they have funded more virtual fund to them and they paid out 147. Then you can also use I think GFT they are doing capital raising. They are doing startup program. They can give you up to $10,000 to start up, which you can use. One thing about capital, you need to just start somewhere and raising it. No broker or company will give you 100% free access to capital, like easy access. You know what I mean? Like if you go and buy Profem now, you see that you're gonna use your own money to buy account. Look, so yeah. Then, but some of the brokers can give you free demo to and add incentive to it based on your performance. You know what I mean? So they can give you some amount of money. Some can give you credit, add incentive. Some can give you a tax to complete. If you complete that tax, then you get paid. Imagine when you're making up $1,000 or $500 from free money a month or something. It's also, so even if you're making $50 from the free money, it's something you're raising capital. You know what I mean? Now, somebody who's gonna give you money or fund you want to see those reports, those results, those literary effort you're making on your own self. You know what I mean? Before the person will not believe you. Let's say, for example, now if you're using like maybe a funded account to trade, it's a good track record, to be honest. So you could come up and present it to someone. If you present it to anyone, it's okay. Yeah, I'm a trader, but I'm using funded account, but this is how my performances are. So if you come into invest with me, or invest in me, or invest with me when you want to use it anywhere, then you can be able to get something. You know what I mean? But you need to keep that track record. GFT is giving up to $10,000, and you're gonna get it for free. You're not gonna pay you're not buying the account. You're gonna get it for free, but you can only pay your own money when you want to be serious with your trade. When you want to be serious with your own trading, the essence of it is for you to be able to start building a track record and they create a strategy. So if you like the strategy you have built and it's giving you profit, then you can decide to convert the money to yours. So that's when your own input will come in. So you can use them to start something, or the whole thing just to start somewhere. Yeah. Someone else. Sorry. Yeah. Kofi Zavia. It doesn't. It sounds Zavia. Zavia sound like Russian or Ukrainian. Someone is listening to me. Okay. What is another question? Okay, go ahead. Yeah. It's something I'm telling you. Or if you're an experienced trader and you have a strong community, then fine. You can work with us. We always look for traders. Just as small traders we are looking who come to us, they're not even experienced. They are hiding traders. We don't even believe that they experience, because when I check their profile, everything, nothing to show that they have something they are doing. That's what I'm talking about. Track record. Track record is very important in anything you are doing. You see this live stream we started now. We started it about a week ago. It's track record. You know what I mean? So we are pushing it, using it to help people on our YouTube. You may check them. Some of them in a day we can get like 100 views, 200 views. These are track record. So you will keep doing that only for you to one day discover that you're on live and 1,000 people are joining you, 10,000. But those people are coming because of the track record you've been building. You know what I mean? So it's very important. Some traders are joining us, you don't even know where they're coming from. They say they want to be trader. It doesn't work that way. Also, as I told you, track records is very important. You can start by joining a company now with free capital work. You cannot come in and expect refund from another investor. Everybody will be afraid of giving you that account. Even me, everybody will be afraid. You know what I mean? Yeah, track record is very, very important. Like I don't want to mention a broker. That's one big broker that are funding investors with that have funding traders with real cash. They are big in Europe. It's not like Profem. Before you receive fund from them, you have to build a track record with them, because somebody giving you money is a real human being, like not like a credit from the broker. Another investor putting his own money. You have to build that record. What they would ask you to do, you buy an account from them, or you subscribe to about $17 every month to build a record. So your record will determine when your record is good, another investor will see you on the chart. Oh, that this guy is good. Then the person will invest through you. You don't understand? So it's not even based on relationship, it's based on track record. So I will encourage you to start from somewhere. Before you trade for like 1, 2 months, 3 months, your track record is good. You won't even know when you'll be picked. Things we look out for, it's not just profit you're making. How you're making the profit matters a lot. Like the consistency in the profit and everything, not because the market was good. Then, like yesterday, we made analysis. One guy came, he got a free account of $10,000. I know that he's not a trader. I know when a trader is applying, I know this guy, they're just gamblers on the internet. They think it's season. So I made analysis on gold. Do you know that he lost that money yesterday? Then, okay, so that means you're not a trader. You have now confessed to yourself. He doesn't even know what is called loss size. He doesn't even know what is called margin. Because I made an analysis on gold that gold is most likely going to rise. This guy went and buy gold with I don't know, is it $10 or whatever? No, like gold. Just when you come back to him and say, "What are you doing?" Say, "I saw an analysis that gold is going to rise." See, that means you're not a trader and you're asking for account. So imagine this is where some of you enter into trouble, collect money from somebody and end up, now it has gone quiet. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, track record, the how you're making that money is very important. Your consistency, how you build it. Yes, everybody's interested in good results where you're making good profit. But consistency, how you build it, how you grow. Yeah, people like that one. Sorry? USJPY, USJPY. Yeah, that's this market. Which chat am I sharing? Okay, let me share this chat. Okay, unfortunately, you're on my Telegram. I cannot share chat with you. I think someone can actually share screen on Telegram. I saw it one day. Go that's on Telegram video. Yeah, that was there. I saw that. I think all these things have improved. Even WhatsApp, you can actually share something on WhatsApp. No, USJPY, it's something we're expecting. There's a little bit of retracement, so most likely it will go up again. Yeah, there's a retracement. Yeah, most likely to go up again. At what price? So if you are bearish around 153, you should be on profit by now. But if you are bearish around 452, you're not on profit. But what I'm seeing here, most likely it will move up from 152 to 153, and if by any chance it broke this particular point of 153, then we should expect it to be 154. We should expect it to be 154. But that will be from next week, after the balancing of sheet of by the global, a lot of companies are balancing up their sheet now. So once they balance whatever thing they are doing, the market will go. Market is most likely going to start continuing from where you stop. But there was a gap. I thought that gap would fill. There was a gap around 149 to 147. I was expecting that gap to be filled. Yeah, I was expecting that gap to be filled, but it didn't filled. So it become because, but it didn't feel that. Then it formed what you call a strong sniper reversal at 149. So well, but I'm expecting a more of bullish trend, to be honest. Sorry. Anything is possible in the market. The market will come down if the U.S. market, if the U.S. Government lift up whatever thing they are doing, and also based on the strength of the U.S. stock. If the U.S. economy become more strong, they need to come back. If not, it's not gonna come back. Yeah, it's not gonna come back. If not, it's not gonna come back because the JPY is like the gold. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. We know that US is the base currency to JPY. I was seeing it the opposite. Yeah, so the market most likely will fall if the US is continuously doing what they are doing on the economy, which will affect the strength of the currency. You know what I mean? That's when it can be able to refill. Otherwise, it will continuously going up. Yeah. I was expecting it to drop, but it dropped that time, but it didn't drop to fill up that entire gap. No, so if you didn't complete it, there's nothing we can do much again. Then we can continue expecting an uptrend. Do you know why? So when it comes to trading rules, that's what you use to judge your analysis. It helps you to predict properly. As long as there's no strong support, it's gonna go up. Yeah. As long as it has not formed any strong support, most likely it's just a retracement. So that's how to know if if you didn't see any support on any layer of chart you are dealing with, that means what you're seeing is merely retracement is gonna go up. Yeah, someone want to speak. Modric, you want to speak? Then why are you guys joining now? Now that I'm almost about to leave, are you closing from work? So what's time now? Because this is 3:23. Modric want to speak. Can you speak to us, Modric? So I'm also listening to you, Victor, while waiting for this guy to speak. Oh, okay. Yeah, I wish you all the best. Make sure in trading there's no bad position, there's no good position. It's all about capital and risk. It's all about capital and risk. So work with the appropriate capital risk management and allow it. The one you think that is good position may become the one that is gonna make you losses. The one you think that's bad position is gonna make you profit. Of what? Uh, I will even tell you that with this chart you are watching here, this web chart, or this MT5. These are softwares. It's not even the real financial market. Real financial market is the physical world me and you are dealing with. So don't even listen to them. For them, what moved the market is me and you, and we move the market based on our economic activities. Do you understand? So don't even listen to them. Yeah, these are all charts. Okay, where was the market when there was no technology? Okay, now let's put it this way: Gen Zs are in trading now. Yeah, Gen Zs. Some of them who started trading, they were 11 years old then. Who started trading around? I started trading around 2007, 2008. That's 17 years now. And so anybody who's 25, obviously was 10 years old when I started trading. You don't understand? Now, 10 years old don't even have a chart. So what was moving the market then when he has not joined? Assuming that was the beginning of the entire world here. It means even without him being on the internet, market has been moving. That's an example I want to give. So without us having a chart, having this in, the financial market has been moving. The currency market has been moving. When there was no internet, there was still the stock market, which people bought shares and stock on paper. There was still currencies people were using to exchange from one currency to another. That's the world, same thing we are doing here. Internet may help us to capture the data and give us the real life data of it, because there's a high volume of transaction that occurs, so the prices changes as quick as possible, which created what we call parallel market, which is part of this online market. Now, have you not seen Profem, right? So Profem was not forex, it's not financial market. It's recently created around 2019. People created it from this one. From the regular one, they created another pattern of market. Yeah. You know what I mean? So people created from here, from this market, they created Profem. Now, even before Profem, there was what is called bet online betting. People bet on price of this thing before. Okay, I think it's still valid. It is still in the market. Binary option. That binary option was like betting. It's called bet online. People bet. People created. It's also a market. People created using the price of the market. So forget about what they're telling you. Let people just get educated about it, then they will know. Unfortunately, people like to know more when they have lost money and they lose interest. Yeah, so while listening to you, I have more audience here. Okay, I have audience. Sir, did he go on full margin trading, blowing? Yeah, he went on full margin trading, blowing all account. Yeah, some of them are applying account there. I know they are 100% illiterate. They don't know anything. Yeah, they just saw advert. They think it's easier. Yeah, he blew the whole account. Mm. If you are assuming there's a policy that if you lose the money, you have to pay back. Now imagine he will off his phone and change location. Yeah, he off his phone and change location. But he was one that applied before. Yeah. So somebody send join with anonymous who send you. Okay, so I think we have had a very fantastic streaming this afternoon. Very, very amazing and fantastic one. Nice streaming this afternoon. A nice one. So we are expecting $23,000 profit as I speak. Oyen, we're expecting about 10,000 on Oyen. That's based on my own expectation. If you multiply it, you're gonna make more. We're expecting 10,000 if your analysis work well. But if you didn't work well, there's no problem. We have our risk measure there. They're gonna put it on hold. Then on gold, we're expecting about $8,000 profit here. That's using this analysis. My parameter I set. That's with two lot times 400. You're gonna give 800. The stop loss is 100. Stop loss is 100. That's it can give $8,000. So if you're using like maybe $1, that would be $400 profit. Then if you're using about maybe no micro trading, then it can give you small level of profit. Yeah, that's what we're expecting as I speak now. Yeah, so what's time now? We have 1 minute to go. Is there any further questions so I can be able to answer all your questions, guys? So, guys, anytime you come across our channel here, please make sure you share it with your friend and tag your friends to be joining us. To be honest, so because we'll be coming live almost every day to be giving you market update, and you can be able to pick potential opportunity from us. Always make sure you share it, please. We want to make sure we reach out to a large audience of traders. Yeah, someone want to say something? Hi. Yeah, are you a Nigerian? Oh, Xavier, like a French name. Oh, bonjour. Oh, ok. Comment ça va? So, how is trading in Togo? Is trading in Togo very popular? Oh, I see. I see. I see. Oh, I see. I see. So you need more training. Oh, okay. You'll be getting the training as well. So what you have to do is to practicing it and implementing it. Unless if you want paid training, if you want paid training, that one it's like a one-on-one training with us. Like then, which we're gonna have it in the evening tonight. People who paid us for training, we used to have exclusive meeting with them. We get them with weekly outlook and also teach them tomorrow. I'm gonna teach tomorrow on crude oil trading. For those who paid us for training, we have a class with them on crude oil trading. So that one is paid one, which will like like give you breakdown stage by stage how the business is done. You know what I mean? And how you can get started. Yeah, but if you don't have a capital, it can be a bit challenging. If you don't have a fund to pay, it's not really expensive. It's about $170 per month, but we are giving discount of I think $130 per month. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm, yeah. So we give discount of that. So that one can help you learn like formally learn how to trade, not just learn. Try to learn how to scale your trading career. Yeah. But apart from that, you'll be getting a lot of value from here, from like our videos, our analysis. Then you can pick them up. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much to Messi. Yeah. So I think I have to let you guys go now because I have to prepare my note. I have a class coming up by 8 p.m. I have to prepare my note more and do complete other official work. I'm currently in the office, as you can see. So complete other official work I have to do to close my work by 5 p.m. and go home by be at maybe obviously by 6 or whatever. Then prepare for night class for you guys. So if you want to join us on our proper learning and trading how to trade, so our site is www.ucheparagontradingschool.com. Is there? It's on our screen, but on Telegram you can already have it. Check on our pin, you see it, tradingschool.com. Then you can be able to reach out, or you can even reach out on our WhatsApp. We can give you discount. Then you join us. You want to trade the brokers we are using, we use automated trading platforms and they will use gold hedging system to prevent you from losing your entire capital. Then it can duplicate our trade automatically on your own account and make profit. And we have been trying to change strategy and we keep changing strategy to improve the trading system. So it's actually improving every day. And we are also looking for people like you guys to work with. We want to create a community, strong community of traders who can work. Those of you looking for fund, it is within community you can get fund. If you build something with us, people will start, like community you keep building, then inside that community we start knowing each other. It's like networking. You can't build, you cannot stand alone. You need to work with people, build that community. So always make sure we identify with you, we can see what we can do together with you, and we share potentials together and scale. Yeah, so my name is Uche Paragon. I am one of the best trader so far. I'm also a brokerage consultant. I've come to internet to social space to make sure I interact with as many people as possible to give the value which I can also give based on my own capacity. So I wish you guys all the best, all the best, all the best, all the best. See you guys by 8 p.m. See you guys by 8 p.m. Thank you. Yeah.